talk about different maintenance approaches, we look at 4 different levels of maintenance approach philosophies. First, at the lowest, simplest level is reactive, basically a run-to-failure approach. That may be appropriate in some cases where it's a low-value asset, low impact on your manufacturing. The next level up is preventative maintenance, typically what you might be doing on your car or your machine, doing oil changes or filter changes on a regular basis. Also relative reactive, but could be good for age-related failure types. Beyond that, the more proactive and more sophisticated approach is condition monitoring. This starts to gather data from the machine and can address very well both the non-age-related and age-related failure types, where you're starting to let the machine tell you that an impending failure is coming. And then at the most sophisticated level, we have predictive analytics. That takes the data from a condition monitoring type approach and looks at series time data over a longer period of time, does analysis, looks for trends, and much further advanced warning of impending failures.